Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to unblock someone on Facebook Messenger. Really simple and easy to do. Now if you have the person blocked on Facebook, you have to unblock them on Facebook before you can unblock them on Messenger, but it's okay because you can do them both in the same spot where I'm going to show you guys. So all you have to do is head over to Facebook Messenger and open that up. And then once you're on Facebook Messenger, you want to go to the top left corner where your profile picture is and click on that. And then you just want to scroll down to under Preferences and you see People. Click on People. And then you want to click on Blocked People. And then all you want to do is click on the profile that you want to unblock. And then all you want to do is click Unblock on Facebook first. So it's just going to tell you to unblock them. So just click on Block. Click Done. And then you can simply unblock them on Messenger if you have them blocked on Messenger as well. But yeah, very easy to do. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.